Next question, riddle time. Who am I? I go up and down a lot, whether it is cold or hot. Sometimes I am on the ground, other times I am in the clouds. My name rhymes with daughter. I am your friend named Dash. Here you have to find out the answer. It's a riddle time. I go up and down a lot. I go up and down. Many times I go up and down. Whether it is cold or hot. If it is cold or hot, I go up and down. Sometimes I am on the ground. Sometimes I am on the ground. You can see me on the ground. Other times I am in the clouds. Other times I am in the clouds. My name rhymes with daughter. My name rhymes with daughter. I am your friend named Dash. Then look at the picture. What's that? Who is that? Yes, water. The answer is water. Next one, fish tank. Can you see a fish tank? Look at this fish tank. Write 3 sentences on what you see. What you see? We can see some fishes in the water. We can see some pebbles. We can see some plants, etc. Draw some more creatures in this tank. First, you write 3 sentences about what you see. Then you draw some more things in this tank. You can draw more fishes, more pebbles, more plants and other things in this tank. Then I wrote 3 sentences. You can write your sentences. I see some fishes in the water. I see some pebbles at the bottom. I see some plants at the bottom. Okay. Then try to draw more creatures. Next page. Let's sing. Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, and rain on the housetop, but not upon me. All of you sing with me. Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, and rain on the housetop, but not upon me. This song is about rain. It is raining on the green grass. The rain is raining on the tree and rain on the housetop, but not upon me. It is not raining upon me. Next one, the words away, day, play are rhyming words. Away, day, play. These are rhyming words. Now color the words that rhyme with. Here you can see some words. Then find out the rhyming words for the given words. In, down, not. Then you color the rhyming words with red crayons, yellow crayons and blue crayons. First you find out the rhyming words for in. Find out the words that rhyme with in. Then color these words with red crayons. Look at the box. Then find out the words that rhyme with in. In, pin, tin, fin, spin. Next word, down. Which are the words that rhyme with down? Frown, crown, drown, gown, brown, clown. Then color these words with yellow crayons. Then the last word is not. Find out the words that rhyme with not. Dot, pot, coat, hot, sport. Then color with blue crayons. In, pin, tin, spin, fin. Down, brown, frown, crown, drown, gown, clown. Not, dot, pot, coat, hot, sport. Then color these rhyming words with red crayon, yellow crayon and blue crayons. You can use color pencils also. Next page. Next section. Let's write. Look at these pictures and fill in the blanks from the words in the box. Some words are given in the box and some pictures are given. You have to fill in the blanks by choosing the correct word from the box. Well, if you read the words in the box, river, pond, sea, lake. River, pond, sea, lake. Look at the first picture. We can see a ship. The ship is sailing on the dash. The ship is sailing on the dash. What's the answer? Yes, sea. It's very simple. The ship is sailing on the sea. Second picture. The dash flows from the mountain. The dash flows from the mountains. What's that? Yes, river. The river flows from the mountain. The river flows from the mountain. Next one. The duck is swimming in the dash. The duck is swimming in the dash. Where's the duck swimming? Yes, the duck is swimming in the lake. The duck is swimming in the lake. Next one. The frog lives in the dash. The frog lives in the dash. What's the answer? Pond. The ship is sailing on the sea. The river flows from the mountain. The duck is swimming in the lake. The frog lives in the pond. Write correctly. Now we finished all the works in the textbook related to the chapter Rain.